Comrades, it is this youth that was inspired by Tsietsi Mashinini that formed the EFF 10 years ago. And when the youth formed the EFF 10 years ago, they said this organization is going to die like the rest. There were others who came before and they all died. No organization can challenge the ANC successfully and win. But they missed a point. That COPE was formed by a Madala. That all those organizations that were formed by Madalas. The only organization that was formed by the youth, it is the EFF. That's why it stayed for more than 10 years now, because the EFF was formed by the future. The future is not what you are going to find in a distant horizon. The future is what you make of it now. This student command, when it was formed for the future. This EFF, when it was formed for the future. And that's why the EFF, with its own adopted founding manifesto, it will never die. It's an organization that is based on ideology. It is an organization that is based on 7 non-negotiable cardinal pillars. It is an organization that seeks to replace capitalism with socialism that will benefit the people of South Africa. No any other organization formed after the ANC has ever been formed based on ideological orientation. They were all formed based on personalities and individuals. Comrades, the president of the student command spoke yesterday. He was with some clowns in some show that the EFF has actually surpassed the name Julius Malema. The EFF is an organization that stands on its own beyond an individual called Julius Malema. And those clowns could not hear him because they are obsessed with an individual. Comrade President of the Student Command, when you debate with this youth, especially the youth of the ANC, you must tell them they will never succeed to rebuild the ANC Youth League for as long as they've got an obsession with the name Julius Malema. Hey, what is your program of unemployment, ANC Youth League? Julius Malema. What is happening with electricity? Julius Malema. Non-thinkers who are obsessed with an individual, they speak a lot of nonsense about Julius Malema on TV. When Julius Malema gets out of the car, the same thunderheads are the first ones to line up for signature. Give me your autograph, bloody fool. They don't know what they want. So, comrades, the student command is the future that has finished the ANC Youth League. There will never be Youth League in South Africa. The Youth League of South Africa is the EFF Student Command. Comrade President, we must start demanding on the picket lines that all graduates must be given a stipend. If they are not given a job, they must be given a stipend. We must pay you. We must pay you for going to school. Because we said to you, go to school, get a job, and better your family. You went to school, we can't give you a job. Let's give you money to pay you for going to school. Why? Because we don't want illiterate, uneducated criminals to be more rich than you people who went to school. Because those who are coming after you, they will never go to school. They will say, my sister went to school, my sister is an engineer, my sister is a doctor, my sister is a teacher, yet she's poor and unemployed. Why must I go to school? Let going to school be rewarded, and if they can't give us jobs, they promise they must give us money. Comrades, they are already giving people money. They give people 350. They say when you are unemployed, you must get 350. No problem. We agree that we must get 350, but we must be paid according to our qualifications. If I equal matric, 350. Matric, 1,000. Like that. We need to pay people according to their qualification. That is the only way we are going to defeat illiteracy. That is the only way we are going to fight poverty. That is the only way we are going to fight inequality in South Africa. Let the youth be rewarded for going to school. Comrade President, take your young people to the picket lines. Go with your gowns. Go and tell the Premier. Go and tell the Mayor. Go and tell the President that we went to school. We were disciplined. We never did wrong things. We listened to you. Reward us for being good, disciplined young people of South Africa.